Hey everyone, it's Lainey with Building Seafood. Guys, today we're here with an episode of Simple Seafood, and today we are making air fryer fish and chips, and we're going to be making it with rockfish. So we already got our rockfish all cut up, and we have our flour mixture, which is going to be 2 cups flour, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 4 teaspoons of paprika. We just got our egg mixture, whipped up 2 eggs, and then our breadcrumbs over here, which is 2 cups. So we're gonna go ahead and take a piece of our rockfish and you're gonna dip it into your flour mixture. Make sure you pat your fish dry before you do dip it in. And then to our egg. And lastly to our breadcrumbs. All right, we got our fish all readied here. Now we're gonna put it in our air fryer. We're gonna spray this side with some canola oil, just lightly. And then you're gonna put that side that was sprayed into your air fryer. And make sure these aren't touching. So if you only can do a few at once, that's okay. And then we're just gonna lightly spray the other side. And then we're gonna put it in our air fryer for 400 degrees at 10 minutes. And then we're gonna flip them halfway through. All right, we're all done with our air fryer fish and chips, and they're a nice golden brown. We got some lemon wedges with them, and you can serve them with some tartar sauce and even cook some French fries in your air fryer. Enjoy.